Here's a video to show you how truly plug-and-play sled start is. After you have your panels off your sled, there's going to be 5 basic connections. First one being your key switch. You're going to unplug the key switch. And sled start uses factory connectors. You'll plug sled start into the key switch. Next is your brake. You're going to disconnect the brake connector and plug sled start into it. Your next one is your injector. You're going to unplug the injector. Using factory connectors, you're going to plug sled start into the injector. And then the wire that went to the injector plugs into sled start. The last 2 connectors are ground. For ease, I'm using alligator clips here, but you have the ring terminals already installed for either a suitable ground or the battery negative terminal. And then same on the positive, you have a ring terminal on the end. I'm going to install a fuse for the sled start. And then I'm going to put a battery in the remote. It'll beep. 5 cycles the ignition. I can code match the remote by pushing 2 buttons. There's also a one-way remote with the unit, so I'll code match that one as well. Same 2 buttons. And now either remote will start the sled. That's how quick and easy it is.